think, because we're going to have some fun here. Look what came. It's for you. Oh, it's hot. You are thirsty. All right. Well, today we got a new pup box. Let's see what we got in here. You want to see what came for you? Hold on, you're pretty wet. Let me take the papers. Oh, what did you find there? Huh? Let me see. What do you got? The first thing from the box. Bond and Company County Fair. Classic melting for your snow cone bungee plush dog toy. This toy's got the scoop on fulfilling your furry friend's squeak tooth. For any type of play they crave, puff it for added fun to fetch and tug of war. Oh, let me see. Oh, you're so happy. Here, let's see. Oh, look, it plays a tug of war. All right, well, there goes the water. Let's see what else you got in there. Woo, look at this. Shuck it, breathe right, fetch football. Chuck it, the breathe right, fetch football. Hut, hut, hike into playtime with this football. The mesh-like design is perfect for fetch. It's made of durable, lightweight material that even floats in water. Hey, look, we got a new water toy. You love water. This dog loves water. Holy cow. Ooh, this looks like a winner. Wow. And I have something great to fill it. Look at that. Made in the USA Hero. Hero USA red medium bone for a patriotic twist on the traditional dog bone. It's perfect to spread your pupper's favorite spreadable snack like peanut butter. Well, you know what we do have? I made some banana smoothie for you yesterday with the yogurt. And we could smooth that in right away. I make a lot of fresh fruit smoothies, like with cantaloupe. I freeze cantaloupe. I freeze watermelon. All your snacks do not have to be. Wow, but look at this. It's a banana and chicken flavored. Made with real bananas and chicken. You want to try? Let's see. You're going to sit, right? How about down? Can you lay down? Oh, yes, you sure can. Yes, you can. How's that Pop-Fix? Wow, these are nice all-natural air puff snacks. Here, you want another one? Sit. You're trying to shake. I have my hands full. I'm sorry. All right, and whoa, that's a good one here. And we're not going to open this one right now, though. We're just going to, think about it. Bark-worthy rabbit jerky. This is rabbit jerky. You've never had rabbit. And then we got a nice, look at that, pup box training tote. Look at that. It's for your treats. It's got a nice clip. It's empty right now. Training is fun with this treat tote. The snap lock keeps the goods inside and the pup's nose out. It's perfect for on-the-go training as it clips to your parent's hip. Nice. Well, we were born on May 13th. And we are on our 3-month-old puppy development and training right now. And we're going to get the tags off that for you. And here's our training card. Training and development. Positive reinforcement. They talk about household accidents. We're actually already potty trained here. This dog is perfect. I do a lot of, even in the night, I get up every few hours and run her outside. But, and about developing a bond. Tips for developing a lasting bond. And then we're going to talk about the teeth. Food dispensing toys. Well, we have those. I even bought some of those game puzzle toys. Food stuffable toys, and we have those. Digestive chews. Oh, we have those. Rubber and plush toys. And so we have all the right toys to look at our 3-month-old pup box. Let the training begin. This dog has a lot of manners. It's talking about manners. They also said, toss it, fetch it, repeat. This year, how will you make fetch happen? Saturday, October 17th, the best dog party of the year. Oh, where is it? Let's see. Petmate.com. Oh, wow. Well, we're playing fetch all the time. We have many toys to play fetch with. Well, listen, we're going to learn a few things now with our pup box. When we first came in the tent this morning, we had a little frog that joined us, and I had to let the little frog go free. Before we could start this. Okay, and we're gonna go swimming and use your water toy. And we're going to go fill this one with our banana smoothie that I made you yesterday. This is my dream dog. This is our second pup box. It was for 3 months. Please subscribe and follow my dog's journey.